Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about something that matters to each one of us: how to succeed in life. Success can mean different things to different people. It might be about having a great career, building strong relationships, or making a positive impact on the world. No matter what success means to you, the steps to get there are often similar. First, let's talk about setting clear goals. Imagine you're about to go on a trip. You need to know your destination, right? The same goes for success. You need to know what you want to achieve. Take some time to think about your goals. Write them down. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to become a manager in my company within 5 years," or "I want to save enough money to buy a house." Clear goals give you direction. Next, let's discuss the importance of hard work and perseverance. Success doesn't come easy. It requires effort, dedication, and sometimes making sacrifices. You might have to stay up late to study, work extra hours, or practice repeatedly to get better at something. There will be times when you feel tired or discouraged. But remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't give up. Another crucial aspect is believing in yourself. Confidence is key. Believe that you can achieve your goals. There will be people who doubt you, and there will be challenges that make you question your abilities. But keep reminding yourself of your strengths and past achievements. Positive self-talk can make a big difference. Tell yourself, "I can do this," and "I am capable." Let's talk about continuous learning. The world is always changing, and there's always something new to learn. Be curious and open to new experiences. Read books, take courses, seek advice from mentors, and learn from your mistakes. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better prepared you'll be to tackle challenges and seize opportunities. Success isn't just about what you achieve for yourself, it's also about how you help others. Being kind and supportive can open doors you never imagined. Build strong relationships, network with people in your field, and be willing to lend a hand. Helping others not only makes you feel good, but can also lead to unexpected opportunities and collaborations. Celebrate your small victories. It's easy to get caught up in the big picture and forget the progress you've made along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is an achievement. Take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your progress. This will keep you motivated and remind you that you are on the right path. Regularly review and adjust your goals. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your goals might change. That's okay. Check in with yourself regularly to see if you're still on track or if you need to adjust your plans. Flexibility is important. What matters is that you keep moving forward, even if the direction changes a little. Maintain a positive mindset. Your attitude can make a big difference in your journey to success. Focus on the positive aspects of your journey, learn from the challenges, and keep your eyes on your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's people, books, or even motivational videos like this one. Lastly, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process. Embrace the ups and downs. Each experience, whether good or bad, teaches you something valuable. Keep your heart and mind open to new experiences, and don't be afraid to take risks. You have the power to create the life you want. Believe in yourself, work hard, and stay committed.